Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I recreated this set that you saw in the thumbnail. This set turned out so pretty. I love a good nude gold pink combo. So let me just put a disclaimer out there. I am not a professional nail tech. I am a self-taught nail artist, and I share my nail attempts and tutorials of what works for me. Everybody's journey is different. You switch it up, use what you can, discard what you don't. It's all about the journey. So as you saw, I began with applying base coat. Base coat is very important because it provides a strong foundation and a smooth surface after you get done prepping the nails and stuff. So don't skip your base coat. Next, I'm applying the base color, which is Cream Silk from MadamGlam. Anything that I use in today's video, you can find in the description box below. In the description box is where I post all of my codes or recommended products. So go ahead and check that out. And by doing so, you help the channel, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you being here. So moving on to the nail set, I'm applying that second coat, and then I will move on to the airbrush effect nail. Here's how I do the airbrush effect with no airbrush machine. I use a wedge and I dab the paint on, and then I dab a little bit off before I apply it to the nail. And I try to apply it in like a slight rotation just so it's not so concentrated in the center. Once that is to my liking, I cure for 5 to 10 seconds in my UV LED lamp, and then I do a second coat. You can do as many as you like to get the desired effect, but 2 is just fine for me. Now I'm applying matte top coat to the nails. I will add chrome too. Once the matte top coat has been applied, I will begin the French tips for the set. As of now, this is how I do my French tips. Now that those are done, I'm going to do my little sparkle element. This took me maybe 2 tries just to get it how I like. Now it's time to apply the chrome. I saw somewhere that matte top coat is supposed to help the chrome not stick, but I don't know, that wasn't my experience. I still have to go back and clean up. So if you could leave in the comments down below any tips or hacks that you use in order to make your chrome stick to only the area that you want it to, I would highly appreciate it, and I'm pretty sure someone that's stopping by will appreciate it as well. So here's something funny. This video was originally supposed to be a polygel full set, like start to finish, but I had a whole epiphany while filming that video. I made it as far as the shaping and I completely lost all patience. When it comes to prepping, I'm okay. Shaping takes me out every single time. My epiphany was, I'm a nail artist. I'm a press-on nail artist, gel X nail artist. I need them pre-shaped tips. I just found it very funny how I was getting very frustrated. And I was trying to figure out why I was getting frustrated, because normally filming videos isn't that hard. If something is working, pay attention to the things that work and pay even more attention to the things that aren't working, because the things that aren't working are trying to show you there's an easier way. So stick to the way that works best for you, the way that allows you to be in your flow state, and just own it. I'm owning the fact that I am not a nail tech. I give props to the nail techs. Y'all, the whole prepping and shaping, y'all got it. I'll stick to my lane, which is designing. Now I'm adding the top coat. I do have two different top coats when it comes to, regular nail art versus chrome and glitter nail art, because once you get glitter in your top coat, you will forever have glitter top coat. So let that be a lesson learned. Learn from my mistakes. A lot of people think that top coat just adds a pretty shine to the nails. It is so much more than that. Top coat adds a protective layer, which increases the durability of your nail so that your nails can last longer. Top coat also provides a nice smudge-proof layer so that your nail art isn't affected by day-to-day activities. Once everything is to my liking, I will begin shaping. This is a very important step, especially when it comes to press-ons, because the gel can definitely make the nail lose its shape. And here are the final results. If you made it this far in a video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I absolutely love how this set turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more nail content. And be sure to comment down below what other nail sets you would like me to try.